Hey there YouTube, the Gman from Texas here. Hey, today I'm going to check out this radio. I won this in a contest that was run by Two Bears Outdoors. Check out their wonderful channel, Gus and Christy at Two Bears Outdoors. He ran a contest and I just happened to win, and I just received this radio that he sent me. It's called the Leehoos EM-1GTX. A weather radio that is multifunction. It can run on solar, it runs on crank, and any of the ways that you would need in an emergency when the power goes out. So I'm going to unbox it, give it a try. Okay, so let's see what we got here. Alright, we got some instruction manual, which nobody looks, but in case I need to, here it is. I don't know about you guys, but I never read instruction manuals. Okay, we got a double box. There we go. It's very well packaged, by the way. Protected. Okay, here we go. We got a charging cable, USB, and here's the radio. It also brings, this must be some kind of reset pin like you use on the Mac. Alright, so here we go. We have all these buttons here. We have start, next, volume up, volume down. We have the speaker. We have the flashlight. And here we have the solar panel for solar power. We have a crank, and this is for crank power, right? Over here is probably another power source, I'm imagining. Yep. Here's where you connect the USB for USB power. And if you flip here, we can actually use it with AAA batteries, not included. So we got battery power, USB power, crank power, and solar power. We've got all the power in the world, guys. Can't wait to give it a try, so let's see what it does. Alright, so I want to give it a few cranks. I don't know if it has any little bit of charge from factory. We'll see. I just give it a few cranks just in case. Alright, so we're going to start with the start button.
Inspector General removed at that time. In a short period of time, he removed the Intelligence Community Inspector General, who had brought the Ukraine whistleblower matter to Congress. He removed the State Department Inspector General. He removed the Transportation.
Put the next button. Here's the next.
While I was reporting this story,
pretty cool.
I met with Jeremy Ford.
I'm going to try the light button. Oh, here we go. I don't know if you can see it. Light's on. Press it again. And we have a camping light. Press it again. There's a light. Press and hold. Emergency. Pretty cool, huh? So we got the light, we got it working on the radio, all with a few cranks. That's pretty cool. Okay, so we got the light going on, and I just left it a few hours with the solar panel on and see if I got a better charge. So now we're going to try the weather channel. So it says here, turn it on with start. And right there, I'm in the FM mode, so I hit start again. AM radio, and here's the weather channel.
70s. The hazardous weather outlook through tonight for North Texas. Thunderstorm chances will increase late this evening and tonight ahead of a cold front.
There you go, guys. It does everything. AM, FM, weather channel, solar power, crank power, battery power if you need so, light, emergency. According to the instructions, which I finally did read, by the way, if you put it on automatic and in the weather channel, you can have it off. And if you get a signal, emergency signal from the weather channel, it'll sound the alarm. You turn off the alarm by hitting the light button, and you can hear what the weather channel is telling you. So I haven't tried that, but that's what it says. So there you have it. This is a great thing to have in an emergency. Compact, light, all kinds of power. It does everything, as you can see. I love it. I thank Gus from Two Bears Outdoors for sending me this, and I recommend it. So, and there you have it, guys. Great addition to your emergency equipment. I highly recommend it. You'll get you one from Leehoos. I want to thank Two Bears Outdoors for sending me this, and like I said, recommend it 100%. Until next time, guys, like I always say, the Gman for Texas. Peace, y'all.